hidden depths of a unique underground sanctuary, I am a witness to a timeless tale that unfolds beneath the surface. Many years ago, two men sought solace in my cool embrace. The men were spiritual leaders and immersed themselves in worship and the recitation of the Quran, filling the air with the beauty of their voices. Then, after they left, a child of 5, Imam of our time, appeared with black curly hair that danced to the rhythm of his prayers and Quranic recitations. For a brief moment, happiness filled the air. However, soon, he too departed, leaving a void. Now, every day, seekers arrive, believing Imam of our time resides within me. If only these underground walls could speak, they would reveal that indeed, he once graced this sanctuary with his presence, coming, worshiping and departing, yet always carrying a piece of my cool heart with him. I long for him too, like the whole world is waiting for him.